we have got a ton of work done since we last connected. Garage door is in, wrong color. So we're just having them manufacture a new door for our client and replacing that. And then that will be done. Let's jump inside and see how much amazing stuff has happened in there. Ah, we got drywall. Nice. Look at this. Board up here. They're doing their load coat right now, maybe even their polish. Just past load, I would say. So that's all getting dialed in. How you doing, buddy? So Mudroom now has drywall. This is gonna be their laundry room. Machines here. Again, we've got one of those space-saving contraptions for the dryer so that the dryer can go as close to the wall as possible. Great, great, great item for saving space in your laundry rooms. And now we're in the bathroom. So this is all ready to go. DentShield dialed in, happy, awesome sauce. And then we've got shower pan in. Everything else is looking really good. All right, so this is gonna be the bonus sort of flex room in here, right? Again, we're gonna have barn doors on the outside to block this off in case they have guests staying here. Drywall's on, looking good. We're really making great progress. And now we're on the, what I call like the upper main floor. That's down there, the lower main floor. So nook area over here, kitchen over here. Island is going roughly here. Got so much wonderful natural light coming in here. Cabinets are on order. Flooring is already on order. We just need to get nosings fabricated so that the stairs are ready to go. We are about two and a half, maybe 3 months away from completion here. So yeah, we're in really, really, really good shape. Project's coming along very, very nicely. Clients are really, really happy with the progress and the continued progress. Talk about that a lot in our videos and on our projects. We really work harder than the average bear to get our clients' projects completed as quickly as possible. So say thank you so much for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button. And we really look forward to continuing to show you what we do. And if you would like to learn about any particular aspect of what we do or how we do it, please reach out. Love to hear from you. Stay awesome.